How to add the same song across multiple Instagram stories. So let's say you want to post two photos or maybe two videos, and you want for this song to begin in one story and end in another. I'll show you two ways how you can do this. Firstly, let's go ahead and open the app. And now just go to your story by tapping plus button in your story icon, or just tap the plus button on the bottom of the page and make sure you selected story. From here, I'm gonna choose this video. And now to add a song, I just need to tap a little music icon on the top. You can just search between For You tab, trending, original audio, and so on, and just tap on the liked song, then tap the arrow on the bottom. Now, if you take a close look, you should see the icon, little circle with a number. In my case, it is 12. This meaning that the song will be playing for 12 seconds. So just tap done and post that story, then return back to the stories and post another story beginning from 12 seconds of that song. With this way, it will prolong from one story to another. So just drag this little white circle, and on the top you should see the amount of seconds. Just like that. But there is more convenient way how you can do this, and for that you need to go ahead and open App Store and download CapCut. Now I'm just gonna open the app. Let's just find it first, open, and then tap to start new project. Again, choose your photos or video, tap add, and then just down below the video you should see add audio. Click on that and choose either sounds, AI music, or you can extract from the existing video in your gallery and so on. I'm gonna tap on sounds and choose this one from recommended. Then you just need to click on the plus right next to it, and after that just drag it to the beginning so it will begin from the beginning of your video. Then just tap export in the top right and simply save to your gallery. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.